1. Understanding the basics of metal casting. So, to begin with, what is metal casting? Well, it's an age-old technique where liquid metal is poured into a mold, which has been shaped to create a desired object. Once the metal solidifies, the cast breaks open, revealing the newly created metallic artifact. A fascinating process, isn't it? 2. The historical background of metal casting. Did you know that metal casting dates back to 4000 BC? Yes, it's as old as that. Initially used for creating jewelry, weapons and tools. This technique has evolved tremendously, becoming a cornerstone of modern manufacturing. 3. Different types of metal casting processes. There are several different casting processes in use today. From the traditional sand casting to investment casting and even die casting, each method has its own unique benefits and applications. 4. Key components and equipment used in metal casting. The first essential component is the pattern. This is a replica of the object to be cast. The next crucial piece of equipment is the mold. This is where the liquid metal will be poured to form the desired shape. Of course, we can't forget about the furnace. This is where the metal is heated until it reaches a liquid state. Finally, there's the crucible. This is a container, often made of ceramic or metal, that holds the molten metal before it's poured into the mold. 5. Step-by-step guide to the metal casting process. The casting process includes several steps: creating a mold, melting the metal, pouring the molten metal into the mold, allowing it to cool and solidify, and finally removing the final product. It's a process that takes skill and patience to perfect. 6. The role of metal casting in the manufacturing industry. Metal casting plays a pivotal role in the manufacturing industry. From automotive parts to construction materials, and even in the aerospace industry. It's a technique we can't do without. 7. Importance of quality control in metal casting. Quality control is paramount in metal casting. Each step of the process needs to be carefully monitored to ensure the final product meets all industry standards. 8. Innovative trends and developments in metal casting. Over time, metal casting has seen tremendous innovation. From robotic automation to 3D printing, the advancements in this field are shaping the future of manufacturing. 9. Environmental impact and sustainability in metal casting. As we become more conscious of our environmental impact, metal casting industries are also adopting sustainable practices. Recycling scrap metal, reducing emissions and conserving energy. I hope this journey through the world of metal casting has been insightful. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more interesting topics like this. Remember, knowledge is power, and in our case, it's the power to transform metal into magic. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep learning.